Hello and welcome to Homeyhuts. In today's video, we'll show you how you can view and manage all your booking leads, a feature available exclusively for Homeyhuts subscription users. So we know you're tired of tracking booking inquiries across dozens of WhatsApp messages. As a subscription host, we have given you a powerful tool to consolidate all those leads and track your conversion success all without leaving your dashboard. So here's how it works. All your direct booking leads are sent straight to your WhatsApp, giving you that instant notification. But the magic happens here on your Homeyhuts Host Control Center, where you get a consolidated single list of every request. Let's dive in and see how you can navigate it. Once you log in and arrive at your Host Control Center, simply click on to the Reservations tab. On the left-hand side, you will see two dedicated sections, Booking Leads and Offline Direct Bookings. Remember this option is exclusively available for our valued subscription users. Now click on to Booking Leads. All your inquiry leads will appear here. You can click on to any lead to view the guest details, inquiry dates, and contact information. Once you have successfully converted that guest offline, you can update the lead status. Simply tap onto the lead and select the option Mark as Booked. The status instantly changes to booked. And if the guest cancels or alters their booking later, you can easily come back to the same reservation and mark it as not booked. Now, how do we block those dates? The absolute best practice is to create a manual booking form for them. You can access the manual booking form from the same reservations tab. Simply click onto the Create Manual Booking, select your property, enter the guest details, and create booking. This step is crucial because it automatically takes care of blocking the dates on your internal calendar and ensures that the channel manager, if connected, pushes that unavailability to all your connected OTAs. So no more stress about double bookings. All your converted manual booking will then appear neatly in your offline direct bookings tab, giving you a clean record for bookkeeping. Alternatively, you could simply block the date directly in your calendar or channel manager. But the manual booking form gives you better historical data. And that's it. With booking leads, managing your guest inquiries has never been easier. You can now handle everything from receiving inquiries, confirming bookings, and blocking dates, all within your Homeyhuts host dashboard. Simple, smart, and seamless. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more hosting tips. And as always, happy hosting!